Each day, 9,000 pounds of food leave the Maui Food Bank warehouse to feed the hungry on Maui, Molokai, and Lanai. More than 100 partner agencies from faith-based and community service organizations shop at the Maui Food Bank. These agencies provide direct service to the needy by distributing food through pantries, serving meals at soup kitchens, homeless shelters, and mobile outreach programs. Richard Yost is the executive director at the Maui Food Bank.
The Food Bank provides food assistance to many different programs, including senior programs to senior housing sites to youth programs.
The Food Bank has been working throughout Maui County for almost 3 decades and now serves an average of 10,000 people each month. Alexander and Baldwin, together with its Maui companies, has been a steadfast partner in the Maui Food Bank's efforts since 1988.
We're very proud of our partnership with A&B, and it's been a long-time partnership. They have provided funding for rehabilitation on our facility. They've done numerous food drives throughout the years. They've even provided funds for shopping carts.
A $15,000 donation from A&B in 2013 is helping to pay for new energy-efficient chilling units that will quadruple Maui Food Bank's capacity to store and distribute fresh produce, dairy, and other refrigerated foods.
They've provided funding for capital improvement projects, and most recently a capital improvement project which is to expand our refrigeration and chill in our warehouse, which is desperately needing expansion. Again, back to trying to get better nutrition into the mouths of the people who can least afford it. We need to be providing more produce to these people.
The Maui Food Bank offers support during major natural disasters and everyday struggles. Special programs support low-income families who experience food insecurity on a regular basis. Programs such as Kids Cafe distribute healthy, nutritious meals to youth who are at risk of going hungry. The Senior Mobile Pantry visits senior housing sites throughout Maui once a month to provide nutritious food to seniors struggling to maintain their health and independence. These programs are supported through corporate and community food drives and fundraisers with the assistance of hundreds of volunteers.
We are proud of the fact that A&B sees the need in the community and is willing to reach out and help the food bank, help those who are in need. Yeah, over the past 20 years, A&B has been a key partner to the Maui Food Bank, providing over $180,000 to Maui Food Bank's expansion, rehabilitation, and facility improvements that we've done over the years, and we couldn't do what we do without them.
Alexander and Baldwin, enriching lives through enduring partnerships.